was time to get some new lighting for the shop, so this is what I chose. It's a set of shop LED lights off of Amazon. This is how they came boxed, so let's pull one out. Take a look at it. These are, of course, meant to be daisy chained. Well, not bad. Let's put them up and let's see what it looks like. So this is the current lighting setup now before I put those up. It's basically, you can see behind the curtain here, ring light, LED light, old softbox, another old softbox on top. So let's see if this helps. We're not going to be stupid. All right, there's my studs. Okay. You bet off the TV. I just need to place these cables up. That wasn't so bad. All right, new lights are up. There they are. Got them off right now. Just using this ring light for some navigation. Let's start flipping the switches and take a look. That's just the one. Still working on getting these wires together. That's just the one over the desk. And now, let's turn this one off. And flip the rest on. Boom. That is a lot of light. Let's get a good look at this. So you saw the before, there's the old lights just sitting there unused. This is the after. That's the garage light, don't even got to use it. Let's go a little wider angle. Get a better view of the lighting. So there you are. You saw the before, and here's the after. Best $49.99 I ever spent on lighting. Now I can actually see what the heck I'm up to. Highly recommend this light kit. Very lightweight, very bright, pretty cheap for the amount of light it puts out. You can daisy chain up to 6 of these. I'm only using 4. Adequate for the amount of space I got. They're so light that the, see if I can get a little closer look at that. Little wall anchors provided and the screws. I decided to hang these versus surface mount them. And they're so light that the wall anchors actually go right in the drywall. Didn't even really even need them. You could have just screwed them right in. So definitely a lot better situation.